Diane in Denmark here, rah rah rah, guess what, woo! It is the month of February and we're back. I'm doing it again, a daily declutter every day this month. You can check in with us on Facebook and Instagram. You can post your pictures there and we can all encourage each other and give each other a rah rah rah. The rules are you go for one thing per day, big thing, a small thing, everything counts, and at least one a day. And if you find more than one, that doesn't mean that tomorrow you get to drop out the competition. You keep going with another one. It can be as big as a three-piece suite, you know, a sofa, or it can be as small as a paper clip. It all counts. The idea here is that we're getting used to decluttering daily. And I'm working by Flylady zone. As you can see, I am in our dining room, starting up with ping pong balls. Why do we have ping pong balls in the drawer where we've got all the kind of wine accessories and stuff? Well, the kids used to play beer pong. The kids are now moved into their own apartments. Hubby and I are empty nesters, and I don't think we're going to be playing beer pong. We've got other things to do, maybe not better things to do, but other things to do. So I'm going to wash all the ping pong balls, and they'll be handed on to somebody else who can use them. Sets of these, you know, wine things that we never use. I've got proper stoppers. So I don't want to keep these ones anymore, so these are going, and these will probably go to the next clothes swap party that we have, you know, the swap parties. I've got two of these, a measure, you know, for drinks. And I'll check, of course, with the kids to see if they want any of these things. A little ducky, don't like that. A trivet that I never used and it's lost its little protective feet. A couple of things that I found up here that need to go to the basement, so I'm putting those back in their proper places. Yay! Not bad for day one. I will be back in here tomorrow, zone 1. I'm sure I can find more, and you can probably find more as well. Remember, you don't need to work in the same zone as I'm working in. Just work anywhere in your house. One item, that's all I ask of you. We're just going for one item because it really keeps us aware of what we have in our homes, what we are using, what we aren't using, because we only want to have the things that we really use and love. So pass them on, recycle, and check in with me on Facebook and Instagram daily, and I'll show you what I've got if you show me what you've got. Okay, live long, prosper, may the decluttering hygge be with you, and I'll see you very soon with a wrap, wrap, wrap. Okay, bye for now.